Hey there, everyone! I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into an incredibly exciting topic that's shaping the future of technology and how we access information, ChatGPT, and the future of search engines. Now, if you've ever wondered how we can interact with data and information around us in a more intuitive way, you're in the right place. So, sit back and get ready for a journey into the world of AI and search engines. Let's kick things off by talking about what ChatGPT actually is. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI language model that's changing the game when it comes to information retrieval. Imagine being able to have a dialogue with a machine that can understand natural language. Sounds pretty cool, right? With ChatGPT, you can ask questions just like you would to a friend, and it provides answers that are not only informative, but conversational. Now, think for a moment about how you search for information online today. You enter a query, sift through pages of results, and hope to find the answer buried among links and keywords. But what if, instead, you could engage in a conversation to get the information you need? That's one of the major breakthroughs that ChatGPT is bringing to the table. It's not just about keyword matching anymore, it's about understanding context, meaning, and much more. In a world where information overload is the norm, the ability to search and retrieve data effectively is crucial. Imagine needing quick legal advice, technical support, or even help with your homework, all in a conversational format. Who wouldn't want that? This not only saves time but also connects users with the data they need more efficiently. But let's keep it real. ChatGPT, like any technology, has its limitations too. There are questions regarding accuracy and the possibility of generating misleading or incorrect information. It's essential for users to critically evaluate the responses they receive and to combine AI assistance with human judgment. So, it's not about replacing traditional search engines, rather, it's about enhancing them. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried using ChatGPT or a similar AI for your searches? How was your experience? Let's make this a dialogue. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's chat about it. As we move forward, let's explore the implications of integrating AI like ChatGPT into our search engines. With this technology, we could see a future where searching online becomes much more personalized. ChatGPT can learn from interactions, making subsequent searches smarter and more tailored to individual needs. The idea of adaptive learning in AI is going to transform our online experience. Exciting times ahead, right? Let's also think about the potential benefits for businesses. Companies can implement chatbot solutions powered by ChatGPT to enhance customer service. Imagine having a support representative who never sleeps, is always available, and can handle customer inquiries 24/7. Businesses can save time and resources while providing better service. What's not to love about that? But there's also a need for responsibility. As we embrace these new technologies, we need to address ethical considerations. Issues like data privacy and the risk of misinformation are at the forefront of discussions about AI in search. As users, we need to be proactive in ensuring that these tools are used ethically and that they maintain our trust. Alright, so as we wrap up here, let's reflect on the future. ChatGPT could redefine how we search for information, turning it into an interactive experience while also posing unique challenges that we must navigate. Isn't it exhilarating to think about how far we've come and where we might be headed? Before we end, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to stay updated on all things tech. We've got so many fun discussions lined up ahead, you won't want to miss out. So, in closing, ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a glimpse into a future where searching for information is as easy as having a conversation. Thank you for joining me today, and let's continue exploring this fascinating journey together.